Hey y'all, it's Rosangela. Sorry, long time no see. But if you wanted to enter the giveaway that I have for reaching over 700 sales on my Etsy shop, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to show you the two giveaways. I'm going to explain the rules to you. Okay, so basically there are 3 ways to enter the giveaway. The first one is to follow my Instagram at RoseRoseBoutique. You need to like the giveaway photo that I put. It's a nice photo of a beach and it says thank you giveaway, and then you need to tag 2 friends in the comments, so that'll count as 1 entry. If you want a second entry, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel right here, Rosangela R, and then leave a comment, just any comment on any of my videos, including this one or any of the ones in the past, and then that will count as entry number 2. There is a bonus entry, so you do have the chance of being able to enter 3 times into the giveaway, and the bonus is to simply follow my second Instagram account, which is Rose Calligraphy, and that is a little different from my Etsy shop. So my Etsy shop is like mini headbands and sequin pants and little baby things and washi samples and cute glittery like accessory stuff. And then my calligraphy is like my other side, is the stuff where I love to hand letter and do wedding invitations and that sort of stuff. So you do have 3 chances to enter. You can just do 1 and be okay. Just do the 1 following me on Rose Boutique, liking the giveaway photo, and then tagging 2 friends in the comment section. That's perfectly fine if that's all you want to do. Sorry, the lighting is kind of crappy. This is the best I can get right now under the circumstances, just because like a lot has been going on in life. I don't have much space. This is like the best setup I could possibly get right now. I'm going to go ahead and show you the first giveaway package. For the first giveaway package, first thing we have in there is a little to-do or like sticky note set from the Target dollar spot. I love shopping there. And so that'll be in there. Then we have an Erin Condren journal. This is an insert, so you could put it in a traveler's notebook if you want. It's a 5x7 by 8.5, and it includes 80 lined pages. You're also going to get something from Little Bits. So these are some journaling cards. They also look great in a traveler's notebook. You're going to get a sheet of these cute hollow foiled stickers, and then a bunch of I'm trying to keep it there, and then a bunch of little journaling cards. So we have that one and that one. Let's Get Adventures right now. All that fun stuff will be in there, and some more journaling cards. So you see these, and this one, another sparkly journaling card, and then this cute what is it, paper clip by Posh Pieces. It's like a Chanel handbag with the sparkly like Chanel logo, which I think is super adorable. This cute little encouragement card will also be included. You'll get another Posh Pieces paper clip. This is a boot, and it's got the Texas right there on the side. And then you'll get some cute little 3D sticker dots, colorful sticker dots from a Little Bits box. You'll also get these sticky notes, which has like the Instax camera, also from a Little Bits box from Mommy Lay. You'll get the sampler from Soccer Roar. She's actually a local Etsy shop. She's located here in the DFW area. Those are so cute. You'll get some sequins from a Little Bits box. You'll also get some samplers from Tamashi Prince, Slow Planning. She has an Etsy shop, so you'll get that. You also get this cute little sampler from Plan and Kismet. So I actually met her at the Define and Flourish conference in Houston last month. She is an absolute doll, and I'm going to be including that sampler there. You'll be receiving this cute little 3D kind of rubbery Instax camera paperclip that says Life is Good, also from Mommy Lay. Then you'll be receiving this jumbo gold paper clip with this little navy blue poofy thing, which is super cute. Ooh, it little fell off. I love this. You'll also be getting some Simply Gilded washi. This is a skinny washi from one of her older collections. It's just got the pastel stripes, but it has some like hollow effect to it as well. I don't know if you can see it in this light, but it's really cute. And then you'll get a little burgundy bow from my shop, Rose Boutique, and this is one of the clip-ons. Now you can do several things with this. If you've got girls or babies, this will be perfect for their hair. You can wear it as well. You can actually put this like in a little bow tie, or you can actually just like clip this in your planner or your traveler's notebook, and it makes an awesome little extra planner accessory. You will also be getting some Minnie Mouse ears from my shop. These are the ones that have the fuchsia polka dot bow in the middle. Those are super popular. You'll also be getting this other bow headband from my shop. So it's silver sequins, and then it's got like the hot pink band. Again, you can use this around like binders or notebooks or traveler notebooks or planners. You could also put it on a really cute head of a really cute baby. I'll also be including a couple of bows from my shop. So you'll get these mini grosgrain bows all put in the pair, and then you'll get these that are like kind of more periwinkle colored, super cute as well. And that's not all, folks. You'll also be getting some washies with the giveaway. So here's one washi. I think this is from Little Craft House, I believe. And then these are some Michael's washi from like a watercolor collection. So that will be included as well in this first giveaway package. And then last but not least, you'll also be getting some really cute die cuts. I believe, don't quote me on this, but I believe these are from Michael's. I think it is like part of like a Valentine's collection or something. So those are really cute. Also forgot to mention that the giveaway actually ends on Monday. So by Monday night, I will be posting the winner. I will make a video where I will randomly choose 2 winners for the 2 giveaways in no particular order. I mean, simply the first winner will win the first package. The second winner that I announce will win the second package, and that's just how it'll work. And I'll also be putting it on my Insta stories, and then I will actually tag the person on the giveaway photo, the beach photo that's at Rose Boutique, my Instagram profile. So here we go to giveaway number 2. So we have an Erin Condren coloring book, which is really cute. It's still in this package. Some of these things I have purchased myself. Other things are things that I've received in swag bags, or things that I've done in swaps, or things that I have actually made or are a part of my shop. So just a little bit of everything. Here are a couple of cute blue grosgrain bows from my shop. Here are some Minnie Mouse ears with the fuchsia polka dots, also from my shop. And then here's some more grosgrain bows. These are some pink ones from Rose Boutique on Etsy as well. Here's a sampler from Soccer Rar, super cute. I love her girls. And then we've got some paper clips. Here's a cute little unicorn paper clip from Posh Pieces. And then here's one of those other bigger gold jumbo paper clips with the little poofy thing on top, which are really cute for travelers notebooks. Here's a camera keychain. You can put this in your traveler's notebook, or in your keys, or on a bracelet, on a purse, anything like that. This is from Mommy Lay. And then we get some ephemera. It's actually an ephemera package from Posh Pieces. This is a really cute packet where you can actually do like mini collages or just like scrapbooking. It's got a little bit of everything. Here are some stamps from Mommy Lay. Her stamps are absolutely adorable. I saw her at the Define and Flourish conference last weekend, and it was just like adorable stuff that she has out. I love her products. You get a whole bunch of journaling cards. So here are the ones that come included in this giveaway, which is package number 2, basically, as a thank you for supporting me through my whole Etsy career, I guess you could say. And you know, the fact that I've reached over 700 sales in my shop, absolutely awesome. I wasn't expecting it. I didn't think I would last this long on Etsy. It was just kind of a let me try and see how this works, and I'm just so thankful that I've been able to reach this far. Here are some stickers from Mommy Lay. It's a sticker packet. Here is a keychain. You can use this on an actual keychain or for a TN. And here is another one of those little cute Target dollar spot like sticky note collections. Another sampler from Sakura, and some die cuts from Mommy Lay. A little motivational encouragement card. Here's a bow just like in the first giveaway from my shop, the silver with a hot pink band. And here's like a pewter silver bow. This one has the clip on the back. And then of course we've got some washi. Here are some washi rolls from that watercolor collection from Michaels. Here's a really thick washi. I want to say this is from Little Craft House in Houston. It's black and white and it's got like a floral design to it. And then a whole bunch, oh, almost forgot, a sampler from Planning Kismet. Little shout out to her. I love her stuff. So there's that. And then we've got, last but not least, just like in the first giveaway, a whole bunch of like cute little die cuts from Michaels. So just to recap, there are 3 ways to enter. So the first and foremost way is to go to my Instagram account at Rose Boutique. I'll put the information here on the screen. You need to follow me, you need to like the giveaway post, which is the photo with the beach, and then you have to comment. You tag 2 friends in the comment section. The second way that you can enter is by subscribing to my YouTube channel right here, Rosangela R, and then leaving 1 comment. That's just 1 comment on any of my videos, including this one or any of the ones that I've had before. And then a bonus entry, which would be your third way to win, is to follow my second Instagram account, which is at Rose Calligraphy. I'll put the information right here, and then you can actually enter the 3 ways to have 3 entries into the giveaway, or you can simply only enter 1 and just have the 1 entry into the giveaway. That's fairly easy. I hope that kind of explains itself. If you have any questions, please put them down below in the comment section, or you can message me on Instagram. This is a thank you for having over 700 sales on my Etsy shop, actually it's R Rose. If you want to check that out, I'll put a link down below and I'll put it up here on the screen. Thank you so much, guys. You have an awesome weekend. Remember, the winner will be announced by Monday. I believe I put a time on it. Probably, I don't remember. It would be on my Instagram post. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. And y'all have a great night. Bye.